Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to NextGen Tutorial. So imagine you've got a 50-page PDF, a YouTube video, and a bunch of website links, and you need to actually understand all of it. What if you could just talk to all of that content like it's one big brain? That's literally what NotebookLM does. NotebookLM is a free AI tool by Google. Think of it like a super smart research assistant, except it only uses your sources. You give it documents, videos, websites, whatever, and it reads everything and lets you ask questions about it. The cool part? It doesn't make stuff up from the internet. Every answer it gives is grounded in exactly what you uploaded, and it'll even cite where it got the info from. Okay, so here's how simple it is to get started. Go to notebookllm.google.com. It's free. Just sign in with a Google account. Hit New Notebook, then upload your sources. You can throw in PDFs, Google Docs, YouTube links, websites, even Word files. Mix and match. Totally up to you. Once it's loaded, you'll see a chat panel on the side. Just start asking questions like, summarize this, what are the key points? Explain this to me like I'm 12. It'll answer based on what's in your sources, and you can click the citations to jump straight to that part of the document. Now here's where it gets fun. There's this feature called Audio Overview. It literally turns your documents into a podcast. 2 AI hosts just chat about your content. It's wild. Great if you'd rather listen than read. There's also a mind map that visually lays out all the connections between topics in your notebook. Super handy when you're studying something complex. And if you need to study, it can generate flashcards and quizzes straight from your sources. No copy-pasting required. Oh, and there's a mobile app too, so you can take it with you. Honestly, whether you're a student cramming for exams or just someone trying to make sense of a ton of reading, NotebookLM is genuinely one of the most useful free tools out there right now. Give it a try. Links in the description. If this helped, make sure you're subscribed to NextGen Tutorial. I've got more videos like this coming. See you in the next one.